Alright, this time I'm going to just stick a piece of pipe in here and not support it at all. I got 20 inches hanging out the other end here past our bend mark, and we're going to take the vise over there, we're going to take it out of the equation and see what happens. We're on 0.1. I'm just gonna put it on 0. It's very close. You can see our little bubble dead between the lines. I'm gonna bend this thing 180 degrees. I'm gonna bend it 90 first and see where we end up, and then I'm gonna continue. Okay, here we go. Okay, we are at 1.6. Our bubble is definitely coming out here, and let me pan you over to, I'm gonna have to go over the top, get over here, and we are at 89.7. I got it on manual mode, so that's about as close as I can get with my foot. I'm gonna get us back over here. We're still clamped down, nothing's changed except we're continuing to screw ourselves to the ground. So now I'm going to do a full 180. Okay, here's our full 180 degrees. Let me take us all the way around. So that 1.3 don't seem like much, but over 20 inches with the bubble out of the square, you can clearly tell one side's down more than the other. And every single thing that this machine does screws to the ground. Over here we're at our limit, we're at 184.2, so I got a little spring back in there. What this machine will do that our old one won't do is it doesn't waste pipe, because we can run it all the way up to the die. But this old JD squared machine right here, this manual over hydraulic with a button, it's hard to stop it on your line, but it is dead accurate. It doesn't do what this machine does. This machine right here will keep it dead square and straight no matter how much you got sticking out the other end. Perfectly flat linear bends. This guy right here does not. So we need to get this guy fixed. I replaced thrust washer and bearing under here, bushing under here, I'm sorry. Machine's nice and clean again. Pressure on this guy, bending 1.5 inch tubing. We're at 16.90. I normally run it at 1695 to keep everything sharp and square. So maybe you guys can help.